Welcome to Costa Rica! Anna, look at that sign!
Daddy, is this backpack full of hidden treasure? Why it's so heavy?
You're right. The treasure is all of your clothes.
Oh, the sunshine here feels absolutely wonderful.
There's our taxi. Let's go, girls.
Look at the houses, Mommy. They are as bright as a rainbow.
Here they are. Everything here looks like a beautiful painting.
Daddy, are we gonna live in this giant castle?
Almost right, sweetheart. This is our beautiful hotel. Hola. Welcome to Costa Rica, Watson family. Please check this form and sign here to receive your room.
Look at the fountain. The stones are all sparkly. Let's see. Ooh, these patterns look just like little stars. The water is so cool. I wish I could jump right in.
For you, little one. A lucky charm from an ancient tribe.
It's so pretty, Mommy. I'm going to wear it forever.
The bags are on the way up. Let's go explore our room.
Look, Daddy. There's a tiny explorer in the mirror.
Wow, she is so pretty and brave. Here we go, our lovely room. 1, 2, 3. And open!
Whoa! This room is filled with golden sunshine. Get ready, bed. Anna is jumping! Boom! It feels as soft as a cloud, Mommy.
Look, Anna. The mountains are saying hello to you.
It's so high. Can I touch the clouds from there, Mommy?
Of course you can, Anna.
Whoa! I have a little surprise for you in this suitcase.
Wow! My teddy bear, where have you been? I've been looking for you. Come on, teddy bear. Let's fly together.
Look down at the street. So many pretty cars and colorful houses.
Mommy, why does the bed cover have so many colors?
Those are traditional patterns made by the local people, honey.
Look, Daddy. There are strange animals carved on this wall.
Let's rest a bit, then find some food. I'm starving.
You are right. We need some rest. We had a long trip.
It smells so good. I want to eat everything. Wow! So many kind of fruits. Look, Mommy, a red banana.
That's a local specialty. Why don't you give it a try?
Hello, little explorer. Would you like to taste some yellow dragon fruit?
Yes, I'd love to. Thank you, sir. Oh. It's as sweet as candy. I love it. Mommy, Daddy, this is definitely number one.
This juice tastes like ocean and sunshine. So refreshing.
Try this empanada, Anna. It's super crunchy.
Thank you, Dad. Look at that bird. Does he want a bite of your empanada, Daddy?
Here you go, Anna. You can give him some. Pura vida.
To our great adventure.
Dinner is done. Let's go to the souvenir shop.
Wow! Mommy, is this place a toy heaven?
Look at these tiny teddy bears, Anna. Aren't they adorable?
Wow, yes, they are adorable, Mom. Listen, Daddy. This makes such a fun sound.
That's a Latin rhythm. Try shaking it to the beat.
Daddy, I disappeared. It's all dark in here.
Where did my little explorer go? I only see a giant hat.
Peekaboo, here I am, Mommy.
This poncho is so warm and the colors are stunning, right, honey?
You look beautiful in that poncho, honey.
That's sweet.
Listen, Anna. That's the sound of the mountains.
Wow, it sounds like the wind blowing through the trees.
Its sound is so comfortable.
The patterns on this bag are so cute, Mommy. Mommy, these dolls are wearing dresses just like mine at home.
Wow. Our little explorer finds many treasures today. Good job, Anna.
Thank you. These items are truly wonderful.
Let's put these bags into our hotel and take a walk around the street.
Costa Rica in the evening is still bright and colorful. Watch me, Teddy Bear. 1, 2. And twirl.
Keep it up, Anna. You're doing great, sweetie. Are your legs tired yet, Anna? Let's rest.
My legs aren't tired, but my eyes want to close, Mommy.
Let's go back to our hotel. And we are having a long trip tomorrow.
Sleep tight, our little angel. Let's go to sleep.
Good night, Diane.
Good Good night to you too.